What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here. Been an eBay top-rated seller for more than 15 years, so we've acquired a bunch of knowledge and general information. And I just want to pass something along to you guys who are already eBay subscriber. As far as you already have an eBay store. You pay a monthly subscription. There are a few different levels of seller subscriptions. And just as of several months ago, eBay is now offering a $50 coupon once per quarter for you to purchase shipping supplies from eBay, of course, which is rather brilliant because it has their logo on it, but it is very inexpensive. Like if you need, we'll go to their little store here real quick. And I'll give you the link that you can get to it. But it's very handy, if you sell a lot of stuff and you're always needing merchandise, or you're needing mailers and padded mailers and non-padded mailers. Here we go. The actual store that you're buying from is eBay Shipping Supplies. You can see the link up top here where that's located. And you notice they have tape and boxes, various different mailer types, packing material, tissue paper, that sort of thing. All kinds of cool stuff that most people who sell online might be able to use. All right, so that's pretty awesome. But what is a recent thing is when you're a subscriber as an eBay store, they're offering you a nice $50 coupon if you have a premium store subscription to be able to buy this packing, and shipping supplies. And you do this once a quarter if you want to. I mean, it depends on how much you sell, of course, but I think it's a brilliant thing and I use it all the time. We use it, for almost everything we sell here. So all you have to do, if you notice the URL up top here, ebay.com/sub/subscriber discounts is the actual URL you would visit. And this is if you're already a premium store subscriber, of course. So if you don't know what that is, you need to go to your online store, for on eBay and look into how to become a subscriber to various levels. So this may not apply to all of you, but if you're an eBay seller at a high level, this will definitely apply. All right, and once you click that button right there, it will show you a coupon code that I've already used, of course, but it'll show you a coupon code right there, and you can copy it just by clicking that guy, or you can highlight it and click Control-C on your keyboard or whatever, and then you can go to Start Shopping, which will send you to that store I showed you right here. And then, when you're ready to purchase something, when you're in the checkout stage of purchasing, it will either automatically show you the discount coupon that you can use, and you can just click, check a box to use it, or you can just paste it into the coupon code area on eBay. And it's pretty neat. Like, here's some more information about it here. Current premium store sellers in good standing will receive $50 off of shipping supplies at the eBay Shipping Supplies store once per quarter. Very awesome stuff. They got their logo on it and whatnot, but it's a definite bonus, and it saves you a good bit of money on your packing materials and shipping supplies. Anyway, I just thought y'all would like to know about that if you don't already. So there you go. And for us, we've had that store for more than 15 years, and it's going quite well as far as we sell motorcycle related parts and specialty tools, the kind of things that are sort of unique for the people who work on their own motorcycle, ATV, scooter, dirt bike, stuff like that. Stuff that you don't normally find in your common motorcycle parts store. So that's what we have on our stuff. It's called Horsepower House, as you see right here. And I've been doing this. We started it part-time just for fun, basically in the early 2000s, like 2003, 4, 5, and then all of a sudden 2007, 8, 9, we took it more seriously. We used to sell stuff at motocross tracks, and that sort of stuff. But now we do this all in-house from our home office, basically, and it's a great thing. Anyway, so yeah, that, and make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is also pretty nifty. All kinds of stuff, different videos of all kinds of shapes and sizes, how to work on stuff, what to do with your motorcycle, dirt bike, ATV, scooter, car, even stuff around the house, even trips we've been on. We just put all kinds of stuff on our channel. Why not, right? If it's a monetized channel, you might as well put whatever you want on it and see what catches. So that's it. You'll have a great day. My name is Biker Dave. Make sure you Google Horsepower House. You can find us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. And y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.